Let's go. This is the first Get Active and Play whiteboard update. Join us on our journey as we document our mission for every child to get a chance to play and grow up active for life. We'll be updating you on what we're working on, how things are going, community shoutouts, achievements, and more. Here we go. First, we got our calendars. 2023 is pretty much done. We have the new additions where we have the easy mode or for beginners, and then we have the hard mode, which has the push-ups. These don't have push-ups, and you can get them at the the Teachers Pay Teachers Get Active and Play store or on Etsy at our Get Active and Play store. We also have the physical activity math games bundle, and we have the holidays bundle. Make sure you get those for your kids, especially if you're in Ontario. Apparently math grades are dropping even more, so let's add some fun, let's add some physical activity. As you can see, we have like addition robbery. Who wouldn't want to play that if you're in grade 4? Let's make that math fun again. We also have for videos, we're doing the +1 challenge. Now we're moving it to YouTube instead of on X. So obviously they're going to be longer now that we're pushing more into like the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, and just having 5-minute videos on there is just too much. So we're adding them on YouTube, and you can follow along and make sure that I'm actually doing the same amount of exercises that I'm saying I'm doing. Fact check me, because some people were trying to fact check me on my push-ups, which were nice, but you can let me know in the comments. And last thing that we're working on is community. We want to connect more people who want to get active, especially in the winter season with the skating. There's a whole bunch of international students, newcomers that have no friends. So let us know what's better to connect on: Discord, Facebook groups, on Instagram, or have a WhatsApp chat. You let us know in the comments, and we'll try to get you active with people in your neighborhood. And lastly, follow us at getactiveandplay.com, or on all our social medias, because we're posting different things on different platforms for different people. So follow all of them, support us, and get active and play. Let's go.